Hello from Mountaintop Koi. We are just finishing up an amazing project in this building. A large koi pond, very state-of-the-art. I'll have to excuse the mess. These are all the boxes and everything from the project. Here's the pond. It is 10 foot by 20 feet, 8 feet deep. We have a Savio skimmer, stainless steel Baki shower running into a bog, which will then overflow back into the pond. In the pond there is two 4-inch Rhino 2 bottom drains, aerated. They are running into a settlement chamber. So down here, there's knife valves on two 4-inch lines feeding water in from the bottom drains. Center pipe is an overflow and drain. So if they need to drain the settlement chamber, they just pull that pipe. That drains the settlement chamber completely down, get rid of any sludge or debris in the settlement chamber. The two large 4-inch pipes are gravity feeding into a moving bed. That's still low on water right now, but there is crazy amount of K1 media in there. It's going to provide a ton of biological filtration. Those then feed over to an Advantage pump. It is 10,500 gallons an hour. That feeds to a Sacramento Koi 3-foot bead filter, which then feeds a 3-foot Sacramento Koi glass filter for polishing the water. That goes up. This is a Viper 400 watt UV clarifier. I'll post videos of this thing. We were here late last night after it was dark. We lit it up. This thing is insane. It makes white PVC glow. Just absolutely crazy. This pump here is a 6,500 gallon Advantage. That is feeding from the skimmer and goes out to 3 TPRs that are about 6 or 8 inches off the bottom of the pond, strategically placed to get good rotational flow in the pond. This is the bog. This is 10 foot by 3 foot by 5 foot deep. So the water comes from the large pump after the bead filter and glass filter up to the stainless steel Baki shower. Baki shower is 6 feet long, 2 feet wide, full of ceramic media, as you can see in there. Up top here we fashioned a spray bar out of 3-inch PVC that distributes the water evenly across the ceramic media, giving us good coverage for biological filtration, biological bacteria growth on the media. Yeah, we'll kick it on real quick for you so you can see. Unfortunately, our water's not full or we'd have the whole system running, but so that's feeding from the 10,500 gallon an hour pump. Runs there, trickles down through here to all the ceramic media, down to here, and finally down into the bottom. But this has been an extremely fun project. We want to thank Mark and Joanne Dewar for allowing us to do it. And it's been a lot of fun and a huge learning experience for us. But I think it turned out pretty well. And hopefully they have years of enjoyment out of it. Thanks for watching.